Welcome to Product Critique, where we give you the lowdown on the best products in the market. Today, we are talking about the GreenPan Mini Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick 5 inches Round Egg Pan. And let me tell you, this is hands down the best tiny pan for all your breakfast needs. Whether you're making a perfectly cooked egg or a quick snack, this little pan is an absolute game changer. GreenPan's Thermalon Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick coating is the key to its success. It's free of harmful chemicals like PFAs, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, which means that even if you accidentally overheat it, it won't release any toxic fumes. This makes it a safer, healthier choice compared to traditional non-stick pans. One of the standout features of this mini egg pan is its fantastic heat distribution. Just like the larger pans from GreenPan, this tiny one heats up evenly, ensuring that your food cooks perfectly every time. Plus, it's designed with a silicone-wrapped handle that stays cool to the touch, providing you with a comfortable, slip-free grip while you cook. The compact size of this pan makes it ideal for smaller meals. If you're someone who enjoys a quick breakfast or needs a reliable pan for single-serve cooking, the GreenPan Mini Egg Pan is perfect. Whether it's eggs, pancakes, or even a mini cheeseburger, this pan does it all. And if you love easy cleanups, you'll appreciate that this pan is dishwasher safe. Simply toss it in the dishwasher, and it's good to go for your next cooking adventure. This pan also boasts versatility. It's compatible with both gas and electric stovetops, giving you the flexibility to use it on whichever burner you prefer. Plus, it's oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for those times you need to finish off a dish in the oven after sautéing on the stove. So, if you're looking for a small, reliable, and healthy pan that gets the job done, the GreenPan Mini Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick Egg Pan is the way to go. Its durability, easy cleanup, and non-toxic coating make it the perfect choice for anyone who wants to cook smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there.